friends, today is a beautiful day, for it is a day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad. Can you guess where Delaney will be discovering today? I'll give you 3 hints. There's lots of water, there's fish, and we saw dolphins splashing. We're in the Florida Keys. Delaney discovers the ocean around her. Did you know on day 5, God made the ocean and filled it with fish and every creature that swims? Let's thank God for his amazing creation as we explore together. Delaney got to see some of the creatures that God created to fill the ocean too. Daddy fed the fish while Delaney watched them eat. Isn't it so cool that God takes care of all the fish in the ocean just like he takes care of us? And the seagulls too. We also got to play with dolphins. They were so fun. Look at this dolphin clapping. Can you clap along? Delaney discovered a lot in the Florida Keys, but her absolute favorite was discovering God's sweetness in her ice cream. She thanks God a little extra for ice cream. No matter what we're doing, watching dolphins, feeding fish, or eating ice cream, we can see God's love all around us. Thank you for discovering the Florida Keys with Delaney. Come back again to see what Delaney discovers next. Bye! Where are the fishies? Look at the fishies.